Good day and welcome back to another episode of Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about the Knight's Lodge boasting a truly idyllic setting in Derbyshire, England. The Knight's Lodges are part of the Autograph Lodge Holidays collection, which boasts a truly idyllic setting tucked away deep in the rolling hills of Derbyshire. The lodge vacation rentals command spectacular views over miles of unspoiled Derbyshire countryside, yet still close to the brewery town of Burton-On-Trent. This enchanting vacation escape strikes a balance between rural seclusion yet still has easy access to Derbyshire's countless things to do. The Knight's Lodges have a fresh country style with beautiful furnishings that characterize these contemporary vacation lodges, complete with magnificent scenic views. During your vacation stay, you can unwind with a walk around the property where you can watch the wildlife or relax with loved ones. The choice is yours to do as little or as much as you like. The Knight's Lodges are located in Bretby, Derbyshire. This Derbyshire location has plenty of attractions such as family parks, the Alton Towers, caves, castles, scenic gems, outdoor adventures in the peaks to Chatsworth House, market towns, and city culture too. The Knight's Lodges come with a complimentary pamper pack to include chocolate, Prosecco, and the use of comfy bathrobes and slippers. Derbyshire offers plenty of things to do. One thing you'll appreciate about the area is the historic sites. One of the sites you might choose to visit is the Heights of Abraham, which first opened in the 1780s and has long stood as a popular attraction in Derbyshire. You can take a ride up in a cable car and see the Derwent Valley and the nearby Peak District with views as you've never seen before, as you prepare to explore this area rich in mining history. You'll enjoy guided tours at two caverns, with tunnels that wind deep underground and take you back more than 350 million years. The Rutland Cavern is a way to experience a day in the life of a 17th century mining family and relive the perils and thrills of working in the mines. The Fossil Factory Visitor Center will let you see some of the remains found in the areas and learn how the landscape you see today was slowly formed over time. Visit Gulliver's Kingdom for the perfect family day in Derbyshire, with attractions and rides for all ages. You'll enjoy Ferris wheels and carousels, roller coasters and log flume rides, with no shortage of attractions. Visit the Stagecoach Saloon or the Animal Barn in Western World, and learn about some of the prehistoric life at the Dinosaur Kingdom. You'll love all the character of the villages and the scenic countryside. There are plenty of walking and cycling routes to help you keep you active, with the route through Dovedale having several homemade ice cream parlors which you'll want to enjoy. You might try relaxing on the grounds of the magnificent Chatsworth House and enjoy the Matlock Bath, which is home to the Heights of Abraham and Gulliver's Kingdom theme park. This region has something for all ages and you'll have trouble choosing just a few things to do. Thank you for watching this video and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow.